Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the new Xiaomi Mi Watch versus KOSPET Prime. We just unboxed and reviewed both of these smartwatches. Now it's time to compare them between each other. So let's go ahead and see the specifics of both of these devices, and then we can compare them in the end of this video. We will talk about both of these smartwatches, the benefits and the downside of them. We have now here the Xiaomi. We know that we have a 1.78-inch screen. It's AMOLED screen. We have a Snapdragon processor. It's swimming waterproof. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of RAM. We have different sensors, starting with heart rate sensor, as we can see here in the back of the Xiaomi Mi Watch. Just by pressing it and holding it, as you can see right here, we can put whatever we want. Down we have the menu. As you can see, we have do not disturb, airplane mode, faces, sound, airplane mode, torch, and settings. Up we have notifications. In the left we have different apps and calendar. In the right we have activities, heart rate, and different sports. Here in settings, as you can see, we have display, sound, apps and notification. Down we have gesture, connectivity, accessibility, general, and personalization. As you know, we have two buttons in the side of Xiaomi Mi Watch. As you can see, we have the rotation button that helps us work better in this watch, and we have the power on and off button, also works as a shortcut for sport mode. The rotation button works really good. You can see how it changed the pages. With rotation button we have another shortcut. Just press it. It will open the menu. As you can see, we have all the stuff that we saw until now, but we have all gathered up. We have calls, contacts, messages, burn calories, sports, heart rate, sleep, media app, file manager, calendar, torch, alarm, timer, stopwatch, Mi app, file, settings, weather, and different apps that are all in Chinese. Now let's go ahead and test some of the options that we saw until now. We have here heart rate. Let's test this one first. As you can see, we have now a result here from the Xiaomi Mi Watch, and that was really fast, good enough. Now let's go ahead and try some sports. Press the shortcut button. We have running here first. Press go. 3-second countdown, as you can see, with vibration. And now we have the seconds going, GPS activated. We have the time or the clock here in the right side. As you can see, the heart rate is going down. We have more settings or information about this sport, but they are all in Chinese. As you can see, we have now here the KOSPET Prime with 1.6 inch super large full touchscreen display. We have a very clear display in the Cuspid Prime. We are using Android 7.1.1. We have 1260 mAh polymer battery, and we have a dual camera. We have the 2 megapixel front camera and the 8 megapixel side camera. We have 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of RAM in the KOSPET Prime. We have also 9 different sports mode, GPS navigation, and we have other functions that we can see in this video. So as we know, we have the front camera. The KOSPET Prime has a Face ID unlock that we will test in the future of this video. As we can see, the camera sits right here and it works really good. So let's go ahead and do some tests about these smartwatches, and then we come to a conclusion which one is better. Same as the Xiaomi Mi Watch, we can change faces just by pressing it and holding it, and now we have different choices starting from Cuspid faces and some faces that we downloaded. As you can see now here, down we have some activities or data for activities that we done while we are wearing the watch. Up we have the taskbar with some information about our watch. We have here time, date, day, percentage of battery, and we have the sign for Bluetooth and SIM card as well. And we have some shortcuts, as you can see right here, for do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and different stuff. Also we have cleaner and music control here in this page. In the left we have notifications, and in the right we have the menu. As you can see, the menu will start from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, Maps, Assistant, System Optimization, App Store, and Face Unlock in the end of the menu. Let's test some of the options of KOSPET Prime as we saw until now. Let's go to the menu. Go up, we have fitness here. Outdoor running is the first one. Press go. We have a 3-second countdown, and as you can see we have the timer going. We have the kilometers, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, we have kilometer per hour, and we have minutes per kilometer in the bottom of the KOSPET. As you can see, everything is going smoothly, and in this case we know that the KOSPET sport mode works. So let's go ahead, test the heart rate now and see what we got from there. We have now here the heart rate. Press it and immediately it will start to measure my heart rate. And we have here the result. Honestly, this was a bit faster than the Xiaomi Mi Watch. As you can see, the result is saved with date and time, also minutes and seconds. And that's a pretty good thing to know when you measured your heart rate the last time. So you can see these are working really good. We have one more option to test it, and that is the Face ID that we have here in Cuspid. So let's go ahead and test it. Shut it first. Now we have here, and as you can see, it says unlock successfully. Let's test that one more time. Swipe up, and it recognized immediately my face that is right beside the camera. So guys, this is the end of the video. As you saw the testing that we did, they both work really good, but we have some benefits and some downside of these smartwatches. Let's start with Cuspid. For example, we have a dual camera and a Face ID that is very rare on smartwatches. In the Xiaomi we don't have any camera at all, and we have Play Store that we can download stuff in Cuspid. We can download stuff here in the Xiaomi Mi Watch, but the Mi Watch has better display, and the downside of Mi Watch is that it's still in Chinese. As you saw, half of the system is in Chinese and half in English. So let's hope Xiaomi will come with update soon, and which will be all in English for the Xiaomi Mi Watch. So guys, this was all for today's video in Xiaomi Mi Watch versus Cuspid Prime. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next time.